Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to fix network errors in Capcut on PC. So let's get into it. As you can see, I have already opened Capcut on my PC screen. Let's click on Start Creating to proceed. Here we are in the Capcut video editor. If you are facing a network error, it's essential to follow these steps to resolve this issue. Let's check if there is a network error. If I open any tab from the left top bar, you can see it is showing a network error. Now, to solve this issue, first, check your internet connection. Network errors often occur when there's an issue with your internet connection. Make sure your internet is turned on and functioning properly. Now let's open Capcut again. And click Try Again to check if the problem is solved. And there you go. Network error issue is resolved. But if you are still facing the issue with the network error, let's proceed with the next steps. First, close Capcut software. And then from the top right side, click on the gear icon to open Settings and check if there's a software update available for Capcut. Keeping your software up to date can often resolve network issues, so make sure Capcut is up to date. Now, click again on the gear icon and then open Settings. If you are still facing the problem, then clear caches. This can fix any temporary issues that might be causing the network error. Following these steps should help you resolve the network error in Capcut PC. That's how simple it is to fix network errors in Capcut PC. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.